This short guide explains how to buy shares of FLEX LNG Ltd. FLEX LNG is a shipowner and operator of modern liquefied natural gas carriers traded on NASDAQ under the ticker FLNG. This video is for educational purposes only and is not investment advice. To buy FLNG, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will have to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker FLNG to find the company quickly. Make sure to select the result that matches FLEX LNG Ltd so you have the correct listing. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart with recent movements. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker FLNG to ensure this is the right stock. To place an order, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the details, and then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the platform may schedule the order or convert it to a limit. And if you do not have enough funds, you will be prompted to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your FLNG position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description for reference if you want to follow the same steps.